We'll guide you through how to cancel a Spotify premium subscription. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Spotify, and so you want to go and cancel your premium subscription. If we press the profile icon in the top left, you can go and see premium is individual. I can tap there. If I go and press manage, though, we can't go and see the option to cancel and stop it. Come out of Spotify and open a browser. We use Safari. Tap in the address bar and we're going to go and type in spotify.com and we're going to go and head to there. Press the 3 lines in the top and go and press login to your account. It will send you a code, but I press login with password and entered it, and I'll press login. Press the gear or cog in the top right, and you can go and press view account. Then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for cancel subscription and tap there. Now understand how listen will change. I'll press continue. It may go and give you some alternatives here, but I'll press continue to cancel and press yes cancel to confirm it. And that's it.